I'm finding every animal in the UK. This week, I found some new species in the countryside, but I also found some in the heart of London, right by Heathrow Airport, including one of the rarest birds in the entire country, so stick around to find out what that was. But first, let's see what I found on day one. On my first day of searching for creatures, I went to Warham Nature Reserve. I had a look through their Facebook page before going to see what I could look for, and it looked like my best chance of finding a new species would be a marsh tit. I also saw on their page that there had been quite a few bullfinch sightings recently, so I was really hopeful to see and film one of those too, as I'd love to show you guys how cool they are. I started off at Bullfinch Hide, where I saw a few birds and several squirrels. So this is a coal tit, and this is a marsh tit. So yes, they are very similar, but this one has a full black cap, and this one has a small white mark, and they're slightly different colours as well. And they're different species, so I do need to find them both. There wasn't that much going on here at the moment, so I headed off to the next hide. So I just filmed some sort of new species, some sort of white duck with an orange beak. No idea what it is. Not particularly exciting, but still, new species. I'll find out what it is and I'll let you know. Look at this guy. Hello. You're very tame. How you doing, buddy? Look how close he is. I went to a different hide next. That was good for rats and pheasants, but not for much else.
Siskin was here yesterday. What? Siskin. Oh.
After spending a while here, I went back to Bullfinch Hide, where the activity had picked up a fair bit. Filming this squirrel fight really inspired me to want to film more. They happen so quickly, you don't usually get to see what's going on, so I'll attempt to film another squirrel scrap before too long. I was chuffed this nuthatch turned up to give me something a bit more interesting to film. There are around 250,000 pairs of nuthatches in the UK, which is actually a 250% increase since the 70s. It's always nice to hear some good news from animals for a change, eh? I'd been here for most of the day at this point and still hadn't seen either of my target species. But then suddenly I saw a flash of pink in my peripherals, and sure enough, It was a male bullfinch. These are one of my favourite birds in the UK. I've only seen them a handful of times as they're particularly shy creatures, so this was a fantastic opportunity to get some shots. We don't really have any other birds with colours like the bullfinch, so they certainly awaken the bird nerd in me whenever I'm lucky enough to see one. Yes! I actually got one, I can't believe it. I'm so happy with that. I haven't seen like loads super interesting today. Definitely hasn't been a bad day, but it's all come together at the end there. I filmed that bullfinch and the nuthatch really close together, so they're definitely a bit more interesting. But yeah, that's the first time I've got a good shot of a male bullfinch ever. So yeah, psyched with that. Hope you enjoyed seeing it. The first thing I noticed at this location was that there was a lot of birds of prey, and I got some decent shots of red kites, kestrels and a buzzard. So far, as well as those ones, I found hobbies, white-tailed eagles, barn owls, short-eared owls, little owls and marsh harriers. So I still have a bunch to go, and birds like long-eared owls, sparrowhawks and golden eagles are some of the creatures I'd like to find the most out of the animals I still have left. If you know any good spots for birds of prey not yet on my list, please let me know in the comments, as this would be a big help. After spending a while at the moor, we went on a walk towards Staines Reservoir, as I heard that rare birds could be seen there sometimes. So this, is it a black-necked grebe?
I don't think so.
It is, it's got a bright red eye. Look at him, look, he's got his head down.
Yeah, it is.
Yo, Luke, can you quickly Google for me their population? Yeah. I can't believe this was there. I can't believe it.
What?
What?
115?
Yeah.
What?
It's coming closer. I can't believe this, bro.
Yo.
It's one of the rarest birds in the country.
Yeah, it says there's only 55 pairs.
This is nuts, Luke, filming it this close. There he goes. Right, so this is nuts. We finally found access to the reservoir, and the first thing we see is a black-necked grebe, and I've got some nice crispy shots of it. There is 115 of these birds in the entire country, and we just got a shot of it super close, so I'm so happy with that. Oh, there he is. Yo, no. This doesn't just happen.
It's amazing how close he's going to come.
So I'm pretty sure it's a juvenile because it looks a bit different to the full adult ones. It's got a lot more light coloration on the chest. But the chances of, look at the size of this reservoir. It's mad. So for that to be that close, look. He's back. I can't believe this, Luke. Woo! We then turned our attention to the other birds, and I soon spotted a new species for the quest. That's different. Oh, bro. I don't even know what that is.
Well, there's two of them, because there's one here that's... Oh.
We got another new species. I am buzzing with this. This was so unexpected. What's that? No, it's something that... There he is. Oh, they don't stay up for long.
Nice.
Sick. That was all the creatures I found this week. I really hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you in the next one.